1, 2, 3, My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure.
You do the same for me when autumn comes around. So when the walls are caving in, the world keeps turning. We got the love, we got to love. No, I will never let you go. All the ones will make me proud. It is never easy. I'll follow you up my love. No, I will never let you go.
Okay. Eto, what letter is this?
Y.
Hindi yan. Eto.
N.
Eto.
T.
Eto.
Y. D. Up. C. A. I. K. K. L. L. O. P. I. T. D. Double L Y and D.
Now I know my
A B C.
next time want you.
Me.
Balikan man ang hirap, luha at lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon at pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli.
love the gram.
Oh, wait, shit.
Let me tell you. You my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something too fresh, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something too fresh, I know. Put a little gold in the teeth and it fit good, so I took the doors out the deep. Okay, I see a brother holding your seat, no beef, but I'm trying to get to know you at least. Don't take my talking to your own. I can keep it chill like the Soviet blunt. I'ma keep it real when your man long gone. If you're looking for a friend, then you got the wrong song. Baby girl, what's good? What's with ya? If you book tonight, that's fiction. I'm outside, no pictures. You want me? Go figure. To the back, to the front. You a 10, baby girl, but I'm the one. Hey, to the back, to the front. You a 10, baby girl, but I'm the one.
Dulitin Munga Kakilala Mo, Gumalaka, Equalaka.
Well, I could dance all day. Well, I could dance, yeah. Well, I could dance all night. Well, I could dance, yeah. 1, let's get fun. 2, me and 2, 3.
Opo, ito na po yung pagsusuka ko. Ito na po yung pag-i-crave ko ng mga pagkain hindi naman available. Ito na yung pag-wiwi ko ng madalas, lalo na kapag madaling araw. Ito na siya. O, diba?
My today's story.
I'm swimming in it, I'm thinking about jumping in it,
Alam mo, ikaw, matutulog ka na nga lang, kailangan mo pang magwala. Pwede naman pala yung ipikit mo na lang yung mata mo pag inaantok ka na. Di ka naman pinapaiyak pag inaantok ka, pero grabe ka magwala.
The firstborn son is always the male version of his mother.